Brother Genuine Cartridge, LC75BK is a Brother Genuine black ink cartridge that produces exceptionally high-quality prints. Yields up to 600 pages. This replacement high-yield black ink cartridge yields approximately 600 pages. Seamless integration. This professional replacement black ink cartridge creates deep black prints, engineered to work in seamless unison with your Brother INKJET printer. For use with Brother INKJET printers, MFCJ280W, MFCJ425W, MFCJ430W, MFCJ435W, MFCJ5910DW, MFCJ625DW, MFCJ6510DW, MFCJ6710DW, MFCJ6910DW, MFCJ825DW, MFCJ835DW. Brother Genuine High-Yield Black Ink Cartridge. Brother Genuine LC75BK High-Yield Black Ink Cartridge. Superior inkjet print quality you can consistently rely on for up to 600 pages. Intelligently engineered to work in seamless unison with your Brother INKJET printer. Brother Genuine ink produces sharp prints that withstand the test of time. Top reviews from the United States. Brother OEM ink, what more can you say? I always follow Brother's advice to use only their OEM inks. Maybe it's a couple of pennies more per page, but I am still on my original printhead, which is more than I can say about other brand printers and inks.